Joint fluid plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and joints, especially for older adults. This natural lubricant helps reduce friction between bones, allowing for smooth and pain-free movement. As people age, the amount and quality of joint fluid can decrease, leading to stiffness and discomfort. Preserving natural joint fluid is essential for mobility and overall joint health. By maintaining adequate joint fluid, older individuals can support flexibility and reduce the risk of joint-related problems. Several factors influence the production of synovial fluid in joints, including age, physical activity, hormonal changes, and overall health. As people age, the body's ability to produce and maintain adequate joint fluid often decreases. This reduction can lead to increased friction between joint surfaces, resulting in stiffness, discomfort, and reduced mobility. In older adults, insufficient synovial fluid may also contribute to the development of degenerative joint diseases, such as osteoarthritis. Maintaining joint health is essential for preserving mobility and quality of life as we age. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients play a vital role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption of fatty fish can also help promote joint lubrication by increasing the production of synovial fluid. Including these fish in your diet supports overall joint health and mobility. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E and healthy fats. These nutrients play a vital role in protecting and nourishing joint cartilage. By including avocados in your diet, you can help support the overall health and flexibility of your joints. Their beneficial fats also contribute to reducing inflammation, which is important for maintaining joint comfort. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients play a vital role in supporting joint health by helping to maintain the viscosity of synovial fluid, which lubricates the joints. Regular consumption of these seeds can contribute to smoother joint movement and may help reduce discomfort associated with stiffness. Incorporating chia and flax seeds into your diet is a simple way to promote overall joint well-being. Soybeans and soy-based products are rich in isoflavones, natural compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is particularly beneficial for joint health. Regular consumption of soy products may support joint function and contribute to overall well-being. Including foods like tofu, tempeh, and soy milk in your diet can be a practical way to harness these benefits. Dark green vegetables, such as spinach and broccoli, are excellent sources of vitamin K and calcium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of joints. Vitamin K supports bone health, while calcium helps strengthen bones and connective tissues. Including these vegetables in your diet can contribute to overall joint well-being. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting joints from damage. These fruits help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and supporting overall joint health. Including a variety of berries in your diet can contribute to stronger, more resilient joints. Their natural sweetness also makes them an enjoyable and nutritious addition to daily meals. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols and unsaturated fats, both of which play a significant role in supporting joint health. The polyphenols act as powerful antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Meanwhile, the healthy fats in olive oil contribute to increased production of joint fluid, which aids in lubrication and mobility. Including extra virgin olive oil in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to promote overall joint function. Incorporating joint-friendly foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in maintaining mobility and comfort as you age. Try adding fatty fish like salmon or mackerel to your meals a few times a week, as they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, which provide antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds also support joint health, while dairy products supply essential calcium for strong bones. By making these choices part of your regular eating habits, you can help protect your joints and support overall well-being. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy joint fluid, which is essential for smooth and pain-free movement. For older adults, a balanced diet helps support joint health and can reduce the risk of stiffness and discomfort. By ensuring proper intake of nutrients, individuals can enhance their mobility and overall well-being. Ultimately, good nutrition contributes significantly to a higher quality of life as we age. Subscribe to the channel for more great tips to help you stay healthier every day.